Earth. The only known planet in our solar system that supports life. Life that depends on oxygen, water, and a regular supply of food. For over 6 billion human beings, that supply of food is a well-balanced chain that begins in the farmer's field and ends at home on the dinner table, in the canteen at work, or at a cafe or restaurant. John Deere is a vital link in this food chain, producing high-quality farming equipment that helps improve yields, speeds up harvesting, and increases productivity. The story began back in 1837, when John Deere invented a plow that could slice through the thick, sticky prairie soil of America's Midwest. Today, the headquarters of the company he founded remain in the Midwest, but it has grown to become one of the world's oldest and most respected enterprises, employing more than 40,000 people worldwide. It remains committed to producing innovative products that use the Earth's resources more efficiently. But at the same time, it is also committed to the safety and health of its employees and customers, and is a leader in environmental systems and sustainability. Agricultural equipment is a significant part of the business, but John Deere also provides products and services for commercial and home users. The Construction and Forestry Equipment Division manufactures a wide range of machinery, including wheeled and tracked harvesters, excavators, and log loaders. The company is also a world leader in lawn care equipment for professionals and homeowners, including ride-on tractor mowers, reel and handheld mowers. Many customers choose to buy these products with finance from John Deere Credit, which is becoming ever more important to the company's operations. As sales expand to markets outside North America, new production facilities have sprung up around the world, in Brazil, Mexico, South Africa, India, and China. The first foothold in Europe was established in 1956 with the takeover of the tractor manufacturer Lanz. Lanz had operations in Mannheim and Zweibrücken in Germany and Madrid in Spain. Like John Deere, the company had a long history of innovation, producing the Lanz Bulldog, the world's first tractor powered by crude oil. Over 200,000 units were produced, some of which still survive. Today, John Deere has 12 factories in Europe. In Germany, tractors are assembled at Mannheim, cabs at Bruchsal, and telehandlers, combines and forage harvesters at Zweibrücken. In France, harvesting equipment is made at Arles-les-Gray and engines at Saron. Field sprayers are built at Horst in the Netherlands. The Mannheim plant is the largest John Deere factory outside the USA and Europe's most modern tractor assembly plant. Since the launch of the 6000 series in 1992, more than 300,000 have been built here. From 2003, the all-new 5020 series tractor has also been assembled here. This compact and highly maneuverable full-frame tractor is particularly useful for small farms, market gardeners and local authorities. John Deere is unique in the agriculture industry as it designs and builds all the core components: engines, transmissions and cabs. This ensures there is nothing else like a John Deere machine. Production begins with the tractor cabs at Bruchsal, about 40 kilometers from Mannheim. Here, cabs are made for combines, forage harvesters, telehandlers and tractors. Transporters leave Bruchsal at regular intervals with cabs bound for the tractor assembly line in Mannheim. Tractor assembly begins with the steel frame. This frame is the backbone of the tractor. It's designed to flex and take the strains of heavy loads in the field. Components such as engine and transmission can be lighter since they don't have to carry any weight, which is why the 6000 series tractors have excellent power-to-weight ratios. The frame also allows a modular design, with engines, transmissions and other key components completely interchangeable. This allows a huge number of variations to be offered within the same basic design. On the assembly line, components are added one by one to the steel frame, each coming from pre-assembly lines. The completed cabs are lowered onto the stationary frame and hydraulics and electrics connected. Each tractor then undergoes a comprehensive series of system checks. By scanning the barcode on the build tag, the computer calls up the correct test procedure to match the exact specification of each tractor. Final safety checks are carried out before the finishing touches are made. The line works 2 shifts per day, and at its peak, a finished tractor rolls off every 3 minutes. Tractors are exported to more than 80 countries around the world, making a valuable contribution to the German economy. They're not always green either. Once a tractor leaves the factory, the relationship between the new owner and John Deere just begins. A worldwide network of dealers provide a comprehensive range of backup and support services. Factory-trained technicians ensure machinery is in the optimum condition to meet the long, demanding working hours and conditions. Fast and reliable parts supply is also important, especially during harvest time, when machinery is working long hours and farmers can't afford any downtime. The European Parts Distribution Centre is based alongside the cab factory at Bruchsal and supplies parts across Europe, Africa and the Middle East. The huge warehouse covers an area bigger than 8 football pitches. More than 165,000 parts are stocked here, ranging from a combine auger over 9 meters long to fuses just a few millimeters in size. Everything is highly automated, with a computerized inventory and remote storage. Pickers are sent orders remotely to their handheld computer. The most commonly used parts are stored in a mezzanine area and picked by hand. Orders for smaller parts are sent to packing stations where barcode readers tell the packer which part goes in each order. Once packed, the box is scanned and is sent to the dispatch area. All emergency orders are delivered by the next day. Depending on the country, orders can be received as late as 10 o'clock in the evening and delivered by the following morning. With hundreds of thousands of machines in use, during harvest time more than 20,000 parts are shipped every day. Some are dispatched in air freight containers, but most are sent by road. The success of John Deere has been due to its reputation for quality and innovation that began when the first plough was made back in 1837. Many of the features on today's machines will be just as familiar to drivers of high-performance cars. Cruise control and fully automatic transmission systems make complex operations fast and easy. Simple to operate, they require the minimum of driver training. 4-valve common rail diesel engines provide high power and high torque with lower fuel consumption and emissions that meet the toughest legislation. and advanced suspension systems deliver new levels of driver comfort for long hours in the field. Satellite technology is also helping farmers manage their operations more efficiently. John Deere AutoTrack ensures that tractors steer a perfect line for tilling, seeding, fertilizing or spraying. Crop yield data also helps the farmer manage crops more efficiently and improve productivity. €2 million is invested every day in research and development to bring new ideas to market and maintain John Deere's reputation for innovation. Alternative fuels and propulsion systems, renewable energy sources and fully automated machinery are just some of the projects currently in development. With the world's population growing by 73 million people every year, it's crucial John Deere continues to provide customers with better and smarter equipment that maximizes productivity from the Earth's finite resources. From the field to the factory to the dinner table. Also for future generations, John Deere will continue to be a vital link in the food chain.